to the business review now. From intricate custom designs to classic recipes, reimagined Fabulous Cakes JA has become a go-to for people seeking cakes that are unique for every occasion. Here is Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
This cake is glowing, but there are no candles to be blown. It's a Christmas cake, but not one you're used to. Alana Williams is the CEO and founder of Fabulous Cake JA.
My passion for baking came from my sister, who also did food and nutrition in high school. And on weekends, she would recreate everything that she did during the week. I observed and I really found a passion in it from there.
In 2008, she turned to baking from a hobby into a thriving business after receiving a gift, her initial investment in what would become a booming business.
I was gifted a mixer. I think it was Christmas 2007. I had it still there. And I decided that, you know what, I'm going to use this mixer to make some money, And that is where I bought the basic tools like the rolling pins, a few cake pans. I never started off with anything industrial.
Today, her business is flourishing as she whips up all sorts of delicious cakes for different occasions throughout the year. But the journey hasn't been all frosting and fondant.
My challenge is with marketing, but what works for me, and it's been good, is word of mouth.
She faces a bittersweet challenge, ingredient shortages, especially during the peak season.
I realize that if I don't start stocking up on things from as early as September, I'll run into problems.
As she reflects on her more than 15 years of hard work as a solo entrepreneur, Miss Williams is ready to take her business to the next tier and expand.
Well, I do intend to open my storefront soon, like tomorrow soon. I do want to teach classes. I also want to focus on the kids because I realize that they do have interest in cake decorating. Sip and cake every fourth Saturday.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.